Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to fix WhatsApp not working on a device. So if you are facing the issue of WhatsApp not working on a device, then you just need to watch this video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that your device is connected to Wi-Fi or any kind of data. So if your device is not connected to Wi-Fi or any kind of data, then that may also be the reason that your WhatsApp is not working. So if you are connected to Wi-Fi, you just need to switch your Wi-Fi to any kind of data or mobile data. So if you are using from data, you just need to switch your network to Wi-Fi. So in that way, it also helps you to fix the WhatsApp problem not working. So try this and open WhatsApp. If that's working, that's great. If that doesn't work, then you just need to open Play Store or App Store device, and you just need to search the app WhatsApp. So search WhatsApp and see if there is any update available. So if there is any update available for the app, then that may also be the reason that your WhatsApp is not working properly. So update the app and try to log into your WhatsApp again. That's good. If that doesn't, then you just need to long press the app and click on the option of uninstall, and you just need to reinstall it again from Play Store or App Store. So by doing all of it, you'll be able to fix WhatsApp not working on your device. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.